Hi, if you have a 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 LE with a 4.0 engine, you may want to subscribe to my channel. I try to post at least once a week simple repairs that you can do yourself on your Land Rover. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Believe it or not, this helps me continue making these videos. Welcome back. Well, today's DIY is going to be really easy. I'm going to show you how to change out your air filter. This is for you guys that don't know where this is at and how you do it. Now, as you know, I got this Land Rover about a month ago, and the guy that I bought it from didn't know what was done to the vehicle. He only had it for a short time. All he knew was that the head gaskets were done, allegedly. Anyway, this is another reason why you want to check your air filter instead of having those quick oil guys do it. I've had some really bad experiences with them. One of them cost me a transmission. So anyway, let's get to it. Of course, the first thing you're going to do is put your car in park, pop the hood, and we're going to go to the driver's side right about here. And right where the red arrow's at, we're going to open up this box. So let's walk around to the driver's side. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unsnap 4 clips. They're in these general areas right here, right where the 4 arrows are at. So the first 2 clips are going to be easy. They're the 2 on the left side. You're going to unsnap them as shown. Okay, now that you got those 2 unsnapped, we're going to go to the clip that's the closest to you, and it's on the bottom underneath there. And you're going to unsnap that one from the bottom up, the opposite way of the left side. Just unsnap it. Let me show you a better camera angle. Then we're going to go to the upper right hand corner and we're going to unsnap that clip. And again, you're going to take your finger on the bottom of the clip and unsnap it upwards and it'll unclip. Now we're going to remove these 2 clips here as shown. Once we have those 2 clips removed, we can go ahead and move the top of this cover off. Just move it and set it aside. There's something wrong with this filter. It doesn't look right. Well, let's look at the new filter. This is the filter that I bought. It's a Wix filter. Here's the serial number for it. You can get this at your local parts store or you can buy them online. I think this one cost me about $8, $8-9. Let's compare it to the other filter. Just as I thought, it's too small. Now either the owner put the wrong one in there and didn't care to do it right, or there's a possibility that the quick oil place just threw a filter in there because they didn't have one in stock. Anyway, let's get the new one in there. As you can see, the new one just plopped right in and it fits all the way around the box. Now we're going to take the top cover and put it in place. And the first thing we're going to do is put the 2 snaps on in this tube back here. Snap those in. And then go ahead and press down and put the 2 snaps on the left side here. And then on the upper right hand corner, we're going to snap that one in. Then we're going to do the lower hand corner and snap that one in. Once it's snapped in, we're done. See how easy that was? Trust me, doing it yourself, you saved a lot of money. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.